So in this video we are going to do binary subtraction using 2's complement method. In the previous video we have taken 1's complement method and we have solved so many examples also. I hope that video is clear. Now we are going to explore 2's complement method to do the binary subtraction. So first of all we need to understand that how to do 2's complement. So it is very easy. So first of all what you need to do to get 2's complement, you need to get 1's complement of any number. Okay. So your first step is to get the 1's complement of any number, and after getting the 1's complement you need to add 1 into that number and then you will get your 2's complement. Okay, so we'll take any number and we'll get its 2's complement. Now let's say we are having a number 101010. Okay, and to get its 1's complement we just need to reverse the number. So 1 will become 0, right, and 0 will become 1. So like that we will get the 1's complement. So our 1's complement is what? 0 1 0 1 0 1. Into that we have to add what? 1. Yes, if we add 1 we will get 2's complement. So 1 plus 1 will be 0 is the answer and 1 will be carry. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Here again we will get 1 0 1 0. So this is your 2's complement. So this is how you need to get 2's complement. Get the 1's complement first and add 1 into that, and that will be your 2's complement. Now how to do subtraction using 2's complement. So here also the fundamentals are very similar to the 1's complement. What you need to do, let's say if you are having two number a minus b you want to do. So what you need to do, you need to get 2's complement of the negative number. That means you need to get 2's complement of the b. Then what you need to do, you need to add a and 2's complement of b, right? You need to add a plus 2's complement of b, and that will be your result. Okay, that will be your answer. Now here two scenarios are possible. In the first scenario, let's say after doing a plus 2's complement of b, you are getting carry after the addition. That means your answer is positive answer. Okay, your answer is positive answer, and in this case you need to ignore the carry. Okay, you need to ignore the carry. In the 1's complement method we were adding the carry to the answer, but in 2's complement method we need to ignore the carry, right? In the second, if there is no carry, okay, after doing the addition a plus 2's complement of b, in the result if there is no carry, which means that your answer is negative answer, and you need to get 2's complement of your answer. Okay, you need to take 2's complement of answer, and that will be your final answer. So these are the steps that you need to follow to get the subtraction using 2's complement method. Now let's directly jump to the examples. Here we will take the examples that we have taken for the 1's complement, so that you can compare both the method and you get clear idea that how 1's complement method and 2's complement methods are different from each other. So in the first example, we need to take the subtraction of 28 and 15 using 2's complement method. So first of all, let's write down the binary of 28 in 6-bit format. So it will be 0 111 00, and for 15 the binary will be 0 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, so these are the binary of 28 and 15. Now here 15 is having the negative sign, so we will take the 1's complement of 15. So 1's complement of the 15 will be 1 1 and 0 0 0 and 0. With that if we add 1, okay, with that if we add 1 we will get 2's complement of 15. So that will be what? 1 0 0 0 1 and 1. So 2's complement of 15 is what? 11 000 1. Now this we need to add with the 28. So what we will do, here we will write down 0 111 00, that is nothing but 28. Okay, and we will add this number with our 2's complement of 15. Okay, so that is 2's complement of 15. So here our answer will be 0 plus 1 will be 1, then 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 will be 1, 1 plus 0 will be 1, 1 plus 1 answer will be 0, and there will be 1 carry. 1 plus 0 plus 1 answer will be 0, and there is a carry. Okay, so here if you check out, we are having a carry. This carry means that our answer is what? our answer is positive answer, and we need to ignore the carry. So if we ignore the carry, this is our final answer. This is our final answer. So here also if you check it out, 1101 is equal to 13 and 28 minus 15 will also be 13. So we are getting the answer using 2's complement method. Now let's reverse the things. So here we need to take the subtraction 15 minus 28. So again I will write down the binary of 15, that is 0 0 1 1 1 1, and for 28 in the 6-bit format the binary will be 0 1 1 1 0. Here our 28 is having a negative sign, so we will take 1's complement of 28. So that will be 1 0 0 0 1 1, and when we add 1 into that we will get 2's complement. So 1 plus 1 answer will be 0, carry will be 1, 1 plus 1 answer will be 0, carry will be 1, then 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 0 and 1. So this is nothing but 2's complement of 28. Okay, this we need to add with the 15. So 15 is 0 0 1 1 1 1. This is what? 15. With that we will add our 2's complement, that is 1 0 0 1 0 0. So that is 2's complement of 15. Okay, so when we add both of them, 1 plus 0 will be 1, 1 plus 0 will be 1, 1 plus 1 will be 0 and carry will be 1, 1 plus 1 will be 0 and carry will be 1, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 0 plus 1 is 1. This answer is not having any carry, which means that your answer is negative answer, and whenever you are having negative answer, what you need to do? You need to take its 2's complement. So first of all we will take the first complement, so it will be 0 0 1 1 0 and 0. So this is the 1's complement, right? When we add 1 into that, if we add 1 into that, so it will be 1, then 0, then 1, then 1, then 0 and 0. So this is what? This is your answer. If you check it out, 1101 means 13 and no carry means your answer is negative. So you are getting your answer, that is minus 13. So this is how you need to take this binary subtraction using 2's complement method. In the last example, what we will do over here, we have two number for which we need to take the subtraction in that also using 2's complement method. So the negative number is this. I will write down the negative number 1001.1001. I will take the first complement, so the number will become 0110.0110, and when we add 1 into that, so we will add 1 over here, so our answer will be 1110.0110. Okay, so this is the 2's complement of 1001.1001. This is our 2's complement of this particular number. Now this 2's complement we will have to add with this number. So here I will write down the number. The number is 1111.1011. With this I will add the number, that is 0110.0111. Okay, so when we do the addition will be 1 plus 1 0, carry will be 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 answer will be 1, carry will be 1, 1 plus 0 plus 1 answer will be 0, carry will be 1, 1 plus 1 answer will be 0, carry will be 1, 1 plus 1 answer will be 0, carry will be 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 answer will be 1, carry will be 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 again answer will be 1, carry will be 1, 1 plus 1 answer will be 0 and carry is 1. This carry means the answer is what? Positive answer. Very good. And then we need to ignore the carry. If we ignore the carry, this will be our final answer. So I hope students, with these 3 examples you are now very clear how to do binary subtraction using 2's complement method. And with this we came to the end of the video. At the end of the video I request you to subscribe this channel, and you can also explore more videos and playlist, and at the same time you can also follow me on the Instagram and LinkedIn. Here also I put very interesting posts related to engineering, so that also you can check out. And with that let's end the video. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.